Hello, Dolly. Peekaboo. Hi, sweetheart. Where am I? I'm playing peekaboo. I'm over here now. You can probably hear something in the background, and that's Casper's site. He does reaction videos. He's really cool. It's funny. Hello, Dolly. So go check him out. Really funny. Does reaction videos about haunted stuff. Casper site, all in capitals, CASPERSIGHT. Casper site. Hey, Dolly. Okay. Peekaboo. Yeah, hello to the good people, Dolly. Yeah? Yeah, Dolly? I love you, baby. Oh, peekaboo. Is that peekaboo to the good people? Oh, lovely. Thank you. That's so sweet, Dolly. Oh. I hope we can hear the birdies outside too. Yeah, there's lots of birdies outside singing back to you. Hey. Yeah. Oh, and loud. Okay. Remember our inside voice. Hello. Hello, Dolly. I love you. Oh, what's up? What can you see or hear or what's happening? Peekaboo. I am playing peekaboo, aren't I? Peekaboo. I'm playing peekaboo behind the phone. Peekaboo, Dolly. We're learning I love you, baby. And good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Dolly. Good morning. Hey. Say hello to the people. They all love to say hello back. It's very well. Yeah. Is your little kitty? Yes, you are. Hello, Dolly. I love you. You know that. There's a peekaboo. I love you. Oh, sorry, guys. I'm freehand, so it's like shaking a bit. I'm just trying to keep the phone steady. And, yeah. Watch my back. It's a little bit touchy, but yeah, you know about my back, hey, Dolly. Got your eyes closed. You're just having a random nap. Nope, bing, awake again. Was that a birdie micro nap, Dolly? Hello to the good people. It's so sweet, Dolly. Do you want to say good morning? Let's try good morning. Good morning, good people. Yeah. Good morning, good people. That's what we've been practicing. Hey. And love you, baby. Hello, Dolly. Yeah. You're a pretty girl. Yeah. Yeah, I was explaining to someone that we don't use treats to teach her to speak or mimic. So it's not a reward system at all. She's just learning. Hello, Dolly. She just is learning how to talk because, you know, she gets treats because we love her, but we don't use food as a way of teaching or or getting Dolly to mimic us speaking at all. We don't do that, no. She's just learning, aren't you? Because that's what parrots do. They love to mimic, and they do have a quite a good intelligence level. They're smart. You're smart, aren't you, Dolly? You're not a silly girl. Hey, you tell us what you want in your own language. Sometimes you either squawk or talk. Hey. Oh, beautiful birdie, peekaboo birdie. I dare say you're a beautiful bird. You sure are. You are a beautiful bird. And we can hear some birds outside and some doggies barking. I have been looking outside, guys. I've been doing a little bit of sky watching. Strangely enough, I'm having trouble finding the moon. It's true. I can see the other stars, and it's like, where's the moon? And clouds really be hiding it every night. So I'll look again tonight. I'm on a mission to find the moon. You can ask Alex. Hey Alex, nod your head. Have I been looking for the moon? Yes. Out the front, out the back, looking with my phone. Nah. So I'm sure it's there somewhere. Or hey, I don't know. I haven't seen it. Oops, sorry about the shaking. Oh, sorry guys. All right. Well, we'll get going, will we, Dolly? Will you get? Yeah. Are you going to watch some gaming with your mummy, with your other bird, your flock? We're part of the flock. Yeah. Well, I will finish watching Casper's side. Yeah, so check out Casper's side. He does reaction videos, like I said, and he's really funny. He's really good, and I just think it's great. I'm getting a good old chuckle from good old laugh from watching his videos. Yeah, so I'm going to sort of, and also please go and visit the Bud Files. I love them to bits. Oh. Okay, Dolly. All right. Hello, Dolly. Did I start talking and I was talking to you about? Yeah, to the good people. Peekaboo. To the good people. Peekaboo. They do say peekaboo. Like me, look. Peekaboo, Dolly. Where am I? Here I am. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Sometimes she'll put her head down and then say peekaboo on the odd occasion. Not all the time, Dolly. Hey, you put your head forward. Sometimes you put your head forward and have a big squawk as well, so. You sound like you said, no I don't. All right, well, on the odd occasion I said, not often. Now and then. How's that? All right, well, you don't do that then. You don't put your head down and squawk. Just sometimes. You used to do that. She does it often. She does it often, yes. Yes, that is the truth, Dolly. You can hear Casper in the background there. I'm sure it's not copyright. I'm sure he doesn't mind me promoting or like saying his channel's awesome. It's not as if I'm saying his channel's terrible. And oh, yeah. Hello, the good people. Oh, that's sweet, Dolly. Thank you for talking to the good people. So happy Friday and have a wonderful weekend ahead, guys. Yeah, happy Friday, good people. Oh. Oh. And that was a kiss and a squawk. Okay, and an alarm. Oh, that could be the microwave. Dolly, bing, the microwave's over. Sorry, guys. All right, bye from me and Dolly and Alex. Bye, guys. I'll let Dolly have the last word. You have the last word, Dolly, and then I will